Lakhain Korapon Nilip constituency Arlo Koilamati Hawar ke Parlopon Dekrum Police Station ang Kangalong Kido Arlong Rupat High School Koilamati along kachingthur ason non kido bom a Sorkar atumpen ke palipon ason si thekpon long Bangso school along Jesemet pet kachingthur amo ke palilaki school adang thibi boundary wall chitang pluk anparta athing nolong kithir pluk adon rimate get semar ponsi pangjang bot anpin Lancho takalisi auditorium hall same kimrang ponpom lo lahai hui Sorkar pen kipi pon ke arlo ka phanla pen loke charli ahema phan isi kemese nang thek binong lo pusi than pon
but our school is in the dilapidated condition. The classrooms are not available, and those classrooms which are here, that also are the ceiling broken, and now we are doing classes in the art room, library room. So regarding the school, other infrastructure are construction is going on, but the classroom are not yet done.
School headmaster Satyajit Jogonath Guzur pen kaningji pon ke Sorkar pen ason project ason nangki pike ningarong nimilo loke charli asomar aphai stami patpik anlo bonsetami classroom apangke kadure dokoklo lapen ajahak askula hema banke keban ajir kiding ongopot classroom arlo kedo pherememe lokusi thanpon
Here the enrollment of the student has increased a lot, so we need still more infrastructure development regarding the school.
Lasi Prabjin pen inspector of school Karbiang Autonomous Council along Manping kedotum school building ta nang piasonti mi pigji puta pherangke thingno ninga klong pen alamthi nang chipat chinidu
To the administration IS office that our classrooms are not available, and which are available are also not in good condition. So we have hope they will do it soon as early as possible.
News Desk report Karbiang Long Live